In this video, I'm going to go over 4 great ways to invest your dropshipping profits for the highest return. The problem that so many people make when they start dropshipping is that they buy too many liabilities like cars, clothes, and stuff you don't need instead of assets that build you long-term wealth. You always want your money to continue to work for you, even when you sleep. Remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. My name's Alex, let's get started. Alright, the best ways to invest your dropshipping profits in 2022. So obviously the first way, I said reinvest back into your store any chance you get until you see the growth that you want to. And you can do this by buying and holding your own inventory. Or if you guys don't want to hold your own inventory, you can outsource this and hire a fulfillment partner to hold your inventory and actually ship it out for you as you guys get your orders in. And this is for faster shipping and better quality control within your own brand. You get more branding elements this way, like adding your logo to your products or your packaging. You guys can include stickers, thank you cards, anything to do with that. And then I also said this lowers your cost of goods over time as you guys are buying in bulk, because the more you buy, the cheaper cost per unit you're going to get. And then you guys can just expand your overall company by purchasing or renting additional storage, warehouses, or office spaces as you guys need them. And this is for overall company growth and expanding your location so you guys can include more shipping options down the line. So you guys can also hire people to help you grow your brand. These can be freelance or long-term employees depending on what way you want to structure it. You guys can hire virtual assistants for order fulfillment, customer service, content creation, or really anything that you need them for, or local people in your area for like order processing, shipping, any marketing efforts, or things related to that. Alright, so for number 2, I said stocks, ETFs, and crypto. And this should be after you guys reinvest enough in your own store to where you see the growth that you want to. So for this, the idea behind this is building a long-term portfolio and continuously adding to it over time so that you guys don't have to pay constant taxes from buying and selling. You guys can just build your wealth by adding to that over time. So what you guys want to do is research and choose a handful of growth stocks that you believe in and invest regularly into those, or a set of index funds such as the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ and regularly invest into those. It's really up to you. Or you guys can actually do both, but definitely do your research and learn the markets before you start throwing your hard-earned money into this, because it's very complex. So if you guys seek large and quick profits, you guys can also set aside a small amount of money for speculation and then just follow the financial news closely. If you guys want to like day or swing trade in your spare time, or even get into options trading. But with those really quick gains, you guys can also find some really quick losses as well. So make sure you know what you're doing before you jump into these markets. But that's actually what I got my start in before e-commerce personally, was day trading, and then I expanded over into e-com and everything else. So it's definitely a really good and quick money maker, but you guys need to know what you're doing. So this isn't financial advice, but honestly, this is just kind of some recommendations and tips. So invest in cryptocurrencies that you understand and believe in. Make sure you understand the value that's behind it and all of that. And then it's also a good idea to purchase any NFT projects that you guys see value in, that you guys are in for the long haul. All right, for number 3, I said real estate. Now there are so many great options under this category, but I just went through and included 4 for you. So if you guys want to get started in real estate for free, you guys can actually look into wholesaling, which is no money down and little risk. You guys just get houses under contract from motivated sellers, and you go through and find an investor to therefore purchase that house from you, and you pocket the difference. So you guys can also get into fix and flips when you get a little more money to play with. Same thing with rental properties. Those are really good for wealth building. And if you guys want to have fun with it, you guys can design some really cool looking properties and rent those out on Airbnb in some popular locations. Alright, the 4th and final way I have for you guys to invest your e-com profits is into new businesses and new dropshipping stores. So I said you guys can shift your focus and create new stores when you hire out and automate your older stores, but you guys can also pursue any other business ideas that you have outside of e-commerce in case you have any. You guys can actually stick to the e-commerce industry if you want to, and explore other areas of e-commerce such as software development if you guys want to make softwares or apps for anybody else in this space, as well as using your marketing expertise to start like a marketing agency or anything related to those 2 ideas. You guys can also find additional passive income sources within the e-commerce industry, such as affiliate marketing on your brands that you already have running. After this video, you guys should have quite a few ideas on how you want to invest your e-com profits. Remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more if this video helped you. And don't forget to check out all of the resources in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.